The Youth Criminal Justice Act. What is the Youth Criminal Justice Act? Act that governs the administration of justice for youth who commit crimes. Replaced the Young Offenders Act on April 1, 2013 and was amended in October 2012 through the Safe Streets and Communities Act. What is the Declaration of Principle in the Youth Criminal Justice Act? The Declaration of Principle sets out the policy framework for the interpretation of the YCJA. The emphasis is on the protection of the public. Why do we have the YCJA? The YCJA applies to youth between ages of 12 and 17 years old. A person is considered an adult at the age of 18. A person under the age of 12 cannot be charged with a crime. The YCJA treats youth different from adults because of increased level of dependency, maturity, development. How does the YCJA deal with youth crime? The YCJA is intended to protect the public, prevent crime, rehabilitate and reintegrate youth in the community, ensure that youth have meaningful consequences for their crimes. When dealing with youth, there must be an emphasis on rehabilitation and reintegration, fair and proportionate accountability, enhanced procedural protection, timely intervention, prompt enforcement. What are meaningful consequences? Things done to help youth understand the impact of their actions and fix the harm done to others. Measures to deal with youth crime include address the crime, be fair and in line with the crime, be meaningful to the youth, reinforce respect for societal values, help repair the harm done to victims in the community, respect gender, ethnic, cultural, and language differences, involve the family, the community, and other groups, respond to the needs and lives of Aboriginal youth and youth with special requirements. What rights and freedoms do youth have? Youth have due process rights, including the right to be heard and participate in decisions that affect them. They also have the rights and freedoms under the Charter of Rights and Freedoms. Are there any special considerations in respective proceedings under the YCJA? The YCJA recognizes the following. Youth have rights and freedoms in their own right. Victims should be treated with courtesy, compassion, and respect. Victims should be provided with information about the proceedings. Parents should be informed of measures or proceedings involving their children. What does the YCJA emphasize? Rehabilitation and reintegration, the importance of timely intervention. What is rehabilitation? Rehabilitation addresses the problems that led the youth to commit the crime so that he or she does not commit further offenses. What is reintegration? Reintegration deals with the issue of how the youth can fit back into his or her community. What roles do parents and victims play? The YCJA aims to inform parents, the victim, and the community about the process and to encourage parents to participate in addressing the youth's criminal behavior. Did you know most youth who commit crimes are between the ages of 14 and 17? If the youth is younger than 12 years old, they are not dealt with under the Act. The government's Ministry of Children and Family Development deals with offenders under 12. Parents and guardians are told if their child commits a crime. They are asked to come to court to prove the age of their child. Bibliography.